Happy Monday! Welcome back. It's time for calendar. We did have a birthday over the weekend in our afternoon class. Amina had a birthday, so Amina, if you're watching this before class, we'll be singing to you when you join us. We'll be listening for your name on those announcements. If you're watching it after class, we sang happy birthday to you since your birthday was over the weekend. But today is Monday, April the 19th. We do have Earth Day coming up this week. And one last birthday. It's Keegan's birthday on Friday. We'll get to sing happy birthday to Keegan on Friday. But it's only Monday, so let's get going. It is Monday. Today is Monday. 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 2 syllables if we clap it right. Okay, we're going to show some time on our analog and digital clock. Today, I would like you to show 1:30. What would that look like? 1:30. Think about where our hour hand would go. What would 1:30 be? We might also say that it's 1 something. 1:30 or 1 something. Okay. On an analog clock, 1:30 looks like this. Our hour hand has gone past the 1 on its way to 2, but it's in the middle halfway, right? We've talked about half, 2 equal parts between that 1 and 2 if we divide it in half. And equal parts, half, and halfway around the clock gets us to 6. When we go from the 12 halfway down is to our 6. It is 1:30 or 1:30. That's how we would draw it. Trying our best to put that hour hand in between the 1 and the 2. And our minute hand all the way down at that 6. 1:30 or 1:30 on our digital clock. Okay, let's take a look at what our number is today. I see the number 85. 85. So we still have our number word 80. It's our EIGHT, add a Y. 5. FIVE. 85. Okay, I still see 2 numbers in 85. That means it's a 2-digit number. 2-digit numbers. We know what their place value. It tells us, one of them tells us the tens. One tells us the ones. How many tens and how many ones are in that number? 85. Did you say there were 8 tens and 5 ones? 8 is that first number. Tens then are ones. So what does that look like if I want to show it with base 10 blocks? 85. Give you a few more seconds. 85. Did you do 8 tens? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 5 ones. Right? If we think about the place value, then we can show it with our base 10 blocks, right? So our number sentence, 85, that expanded form would be 80 plus 5 more would be 85. So if 85 is in the middle, 1 less, that would be the number that comes just before it, would be 84. Very good. 84. 1 more, After 5 comes 6. Still have 8 tens, so 86, 84, 85, 86. Now we have to think of that magic, right? If we think about the magic on our hundreds chart, 10 more is right below it. 10 less is right above it. If we think about our tens, 10 less is like taking one of these away. 1 less is 7 tens. We still keep our 5 ones. So 10 less is 75. Ooh, now 10 more. If I have 8 and I added another, I would have 9 tens. Still 5 ones. So that's the number 95. If I count by tens off the decade, 75, 85, 95. That sounds right. Because it is. Good job. Okay. We are going to check out our days of school. How many days will it be today? Let's take a look. I'm trying to do too many things. Get our fact family ready too at the same time. I'm not multitasking well. Okay, let's take a look. 100, 3 tens, 9 ones. That's 139. What is 9 and 1 more? 10. 9 and 1 more is 10. So 139. Uh-oh, so what's going to happen? It does make a 10. That means we have to bundle. I'm going to take those, trade them out for a bundle. Are you ready to sing it with me? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Bundle, bundle, bundle. Bundle, bundle, bundle. Bundle, bundle, bundle. Now we have a 10. We trade those ones. We don't want all these loose ones. We want to know, oh, I have 10. So now, does it go back in my ones? No, very good. It goes in my 10. So now I have 4 groups of 10, which means I have 10, 20, 30, 40. 4 groups of 10, 0 ones because I bundled them all. They went over. That means we have 110, 4. Let's try that again. We have 100, 4 tens, and 0 ones, which is the number 140. That means it should also fill up our 40 chart here. Sure enough, all 10 are there. We get to fill it in. We have been in school for 140 days. $140. Woo! Okay, my 140 days smarter. Let's do a little money today. Our piggy bank would like 96 cents in his tummy. 96. So if we think about our tens, we could do 9 tens or 9 dimes. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. We could do 9 tens. And we could do 6 ones or 6 pennies, right? 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. Or, I heard 95. Do we have a coin worth 5? We sure do. I could trade out these 5 pennies and give myself a nickel, nickel, nickel. Thick and fat. That's not a nickel, Miss G. That's a quarter. Let's get the right coin. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents. I know that. So we could do 9 a nickel and a penny, 9 dimes. 1 nickel, 1 penny gets us 96. Okay, I'm going to keep my 6. I'm going to trade 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And a nickel gives me 75, which I know is the same as 3 quarters. 75, 10 more. 7 tens, 10 more would be 85. Got to remember there were 5 there. 10 more would be 95. 96. So the least amount of coins would be 3 quarters, 2 dimes, and 1 penny. Both ways make him happy. Or we really did 3 ways, didn't we? Okay. Our last thing is a fact family. Remember, fact families, we have 2 parts and 1 total. So if we look at these numbers, do we know 5 and 1 and 6? If we have 5 and 1, does it equal 6? Remember, I like to put my total at the top so I remember. So if we think about the 2 addition equations, we know they are part plus part. That equals the total. So these should equal 6. I could say 5 plus 1 equals 6. Or it's turnaround fact. 1 plus 5 still equals 6. Now for its takeaway, remember takeaway, we start with our total, which is 6. We take away a part. I could take away 5. That means I should have 1 left over. Or its related fact would be 6 take away 1 equals 5. Another way. A related fact. The total stays the same, but where our parts are, we change which part we take away first, which changes our total over here, what's left over. We actually call that not the total, but the difference in a subtraction problem. If you remember from our pirate song, that's what they say. You find the difference, which is the other part that was missing. Great work. I'll see you tomorrow for Tuesday calendar.